Hey teachers, in this video I'm going to show you how to add resources to a shared Schoology group folder. So that's the middle school social studies folder. To do that, I'm going to go to my Schoology group right here. On the left side, I'll select resources and I'm going to add something in the 8th grade folder. So I'll go to 8th grade, but the process is the same for 6th or 7th. You'll notice at the top it says shared resources. This is for teachers to be able to add to and to copy from. And I'm going to go to the corresponding unit, Revolution. And there's a couple different ways I'll show you how to add resources. Let's say I have a Schoology assessment, like one of those little puzzle piece that I created in Schoology that I want to share with other teachers. The way I do that is click Add Resources. I'm going to copy it from my resources. Now, I originally created that in my home resources or my personal, so I'm going to click there. I'll scroll down and it's the Axe one. Now, I can click on multiple ones to copy over. For today, I'm just going to do the Axe. I'm going to click Copy. And you'll notice if you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to add it to the bottom there. Okay. Now, let's say I have like a Google slideshow or a Google Doc that I want to share with teachers, but maybe I want to make it to where it forces them to make a copy. Okay. I'll show you how to do that now. So I have the slideshow right here that I want to be able to share with other teachers. The first thing I have to do is make sure the sharing settings are correct. So I'm going to click on Share and see how it says restricted? I want to change that. So I'm going to click on Change Link to Northside ISD. What that means now is anyone in Northside can view this, right? They can't edit it, but they can view it. I'm going to click Done. So some of you, what you could do is just simply use that link. I can copy it and I could upload that. But some of you want to be fancy and do a forced copy link, which I'm going to show you how to do now. So the way you'll do that is we're going to click on the URL at the top, and I'm going to highlight and select just that last section after the last backslash. It usually starts with edit. Now I'm going to backspace that, and I'm just going to type the word copy and press enter. You'll notice what happens when I do that is it now is going to force people to make a copy. So this is the URL or the link that I want. So I'm going to highlight that and right click and copy it. I'm going to go back to the Schoology group and go to Add Resources and add a link. I'm now going to paste that link, and I want to make sure that the title's clear so teachers know what it is. So I'm going to call it Boston Massacre Slides Lesson Link. Okay. Now I could always add additional information there if I wanted to, but for right now I'm just going to click Add. And you'll notice what that does is it scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to see that link there. And just so you can test it out, you can click on it and see that it's going to force people to make a copy. So you just learned 2 different ways that you can add resources to our Schoology group.